Hello everyone. Let us evaluate what we have here very quickly. We have 3 to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 5. Now how do we evaluate this? This is the method that I want to use. 3 to the, okay, let's use a letter. Let's say we have a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5. Now this is the same thing as a minus b, okay, into, this is a, right? So we pick a to the power of 4, then plus we have a to the power of 3, but this time around we have b, then plus we have a to the power of 2, this time around we have b to the power of 2. Now I will let you know what I am doing. Then plus here we have a to the power of 1, then we have b to the power of 3, right? Then plus we have b to the power of 4, and this is where we stop. We close this. Now what I did here is to make sure that each of the terms in the second bracket, you add them up to get power of 4. Here we have a to the power of 4, meaning that our b is to the power of 0. Here we have a to the power of 3, so we need one more. That means b will have the power of 1. Here we have a to the power of 2, b to the power of 2. Both of them will give us 4. A to the power of b, okay, a to the power of 1 and b to the power of 3. Both of them will still give us 4. But this time around, we have b to the power of 4. So this is what we are saying. As a is decreasing in power, b increases in power until it gets to the maximum, which is 4. Okay, if you're looking for a to the power of 6 minus b to the power of 6, this place would have been 5, and that could have been 5 as well. So what do? Let's substitute into this very quickly. So our 3 to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 5 becomes a minus b is now 3 minus 2. So we close this. Here a to the power of 4, that would be 3 to the power of 4. Then plus a to the power of 3, that would be 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by b. And what is our b? b is 2, so I write 2. Then plus a squared will be 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by b is 2 to the power of 2. Then plus I have b to the power of 3. Our a is 3. Then multiplied by b is 2 to the power of 3. Then plus I have b to the power of 4, which is now 2 to the power of 4. So we want to add this. But do you think at the end of the day, this will be equal to 3 to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 5? Let's keep going. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. Then in the second bracket, 3 to the power of 4 is 81. Plus 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Then we multiply by 2. Plus here now we have 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Then 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Plus here we have 3 multiplied by 8. Then plus 16. I still have multiplication to do. So let's deal with what we have in the bracket. So we have 1 multiplying the whole of this. Here we have 81 plus 27 times 2, that will give us 54. So I write 54 here, plus 9 times 4, that will give us 36. Then plus 3 times 8, that will be 24. Then plus 16. So now I can add everything here. But mind you, 1 times anything is the same thing, right? So what do? Let's add all of this. We have 81 plus 54 plus 36 plus 24 and plus 16. Let's add all of this. 1 plus 4 is 5. This is 11. This is 15. This is 21. So I write 1 and I'm taking 2. Now 5, okay, 8 plus 5 is 13, 16, 18, and 19. 19 plus 2 is 21, so we write 21. So this means that our answer here is equal to 211. So what are we saying? We are saying that our 3 to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 211. Now we have to confirm what we have done. This is the formula that I used. I used this to get what I have got. So let's verify. What is 3 to the power of 5? 3 to the power of 5 is 243, right? And 2 to the power of 5 is 32, right? So I write 32 here. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1 as well. 2 minus nothing is 2. So this means that we are very correct with what we have done. Now, for the sake of emphasis, I want to do this again. I said if you have a to the power of 5 minus b to the power of 5, this will be the same thing as a minus b, right? Then in the second, we have a to the power of 4, because here we have power of 5. So you're taking 1 away. We have a power of 4 plus, okay. Now this time around, we take 1 from the power of a. So we have a to the power of 3, meaning that we introduce b. A loses its power and b gains more power. Then plus we have a to the power of 2. Then this b will have power of 2 now as well. Then plus a to the power of 1. No need to indicate the 1. So we have a. Then b will have additional power, and this is b to the power of 3. Then plus, what do? I have a is going now, because if we take 1 power from the power of a, it becomes a to the power of 0. So a is gone. That means that I have b to the power of 4, since I have to add more power to the power of b. So this is the formula to use. And if you are there with me, try out 3 to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 6 using this. So what do you have? Let me have this at the comment section.